Jumping through, start off in downward facing dog. Then bring the shoulders over the palms. Right foot, left foot. Be sure you point your feet. This is really the whole trick. Then stabilize your pelvic floor, press into the shoulders, and slide your right foot all the way through. Slide your left foot all the way through. Exhale, sit down. Learn to do that first, and then it will be easy to glide through. Step number 2, instead of walking, slide your feet through by little, one foot, the other foot, and exhale down. Keep your palms flat. Avoid lifting up the heels of the hands. Last option, mini jump. Jump to your halfway point. Little lift up, and keep the hips back and up. Exhale down. Go step by step, and remember, point your feet at the halfway point. This is the trick that will get you all the way through. If your feet are flexed, you'll be stuck. Point the feet and glide them through, keeping your butt off the ground. Nice strong shoulders. Go step by step. Believe in yourself. Don't give up.